Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can find and use this filter called Your Life in 3 Years on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So in this filter, TikTok will guess what your life will be in 3 years, so in 2024, 2025, and 2026. So as you can see, there are many people using this filter and showing their reactions to it. So let me show you how you can create this trending video using this filter. So to create this trending video, you need to first open up TikTok. Next, you're going to tap on search at the top right, and you're searching for life in 3 years. Tap search. Now within the search results, you're looking for the effect, Your Life in 3 Years. It will appear under effects. Tap on it and it'll look like this. Now to use this filter, go ahead and tap on Use this filter at the bottom. Now here you need to make sure the front facing camera is activated, and once you do this, you'll see this text up here, Your Life in 3 Years. Now first you want to go ahead and press record, and now once you want to start the roll, go ahead and tap on screen, and there you go. So there you go, those are my predictions for my life in the next 3 years. So there you go guys, that is how to create this trending video using the effect Your Life in 3 Years. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.